Today I'm going to be pouring these amazing agate slice coasters using amazing Clearcast Plus resin and gold leaf. I started by mixing equal parts A and B of my amazing Clearcast Plus resin from Alumilite. This is the most UV resistant product on the market, which will make these resin coasters perfect for outdoor use without yellowing. Once I measured them in smaller cups, I combined my parts A and B into a larger cup and started stirring. You want to stir this resin for about 4 minutes to make sure your parts A and B are sufficiently mixed. You have about 45 minutes to work with the mixture once you've combined the two and the chemical reaction has started. I then took my resin mixture and poured it into 4 Dixie cups in equal parts. I'm going to be adding my color to these smaller cups. In one of my Dixie cups, I'm going to be adding gold leaf foil. You can buy gold leaf in flakes, but I don't have any, so I'm going to be breaking up gold leaf sheets that I already have. I just took a couple of the sheets that I had and added them into my resin. I stirred them up, and that caused the sheet to break apart. For my next color, I chose a teal blue alumidust. Alumidust is a mica powder, also by Alumilite. This is going to add some sparkly metallic teal color to my resin. You'll be amazed how little of the alumidust it takes to color your resin. I just use the end of a popsicle stick and add a little dash into my resin cup. Look at that sheen. You can see the sparkle already. I mix this in the same way as my teal using a popsicle stick and just a little bit of the powder into my resin. Right away you can see the pearlescent shimmer that comes off of it. Please check the description on this post for links to all the products I used in my video today. All of these are affiliate links and I do earn a small percentage through those, so I do appreciate purchases made through my links. My last powder color is going to be a metallic gold. I mix it in the same way as my other two. I'll use the gold around the outside of my mold to pull out some of the color from my gold leaf flakes. I'm using silicone resin molds from shopresinmolds.com. They're shaped like geodes with a hole in the middle. I'm going to start by pouring my gold leaf mixture around the hole in the center, followed by the teal mixture around that. I did start with an extra mold, but I ended up only having enough resin for one, so I put that one aside. Next, I poured the iridescent green mixture, and last I'm going to do the gold around the very outer edge. The colors start to flow into each other naturally. Look at those gold leaf flakes in the center. I'm so excited about those. Once I had my basic color layout decided, I just used the extra resin in my cups to top off my mold. Next, I used a toothpick and started pulling my colors into each other to create some veining in my resin. I tried a little bit of a swirling motion, but I definitely prefer the pulling. I filled my mold to just below the top lip of the silicone. I do recommend you wear gloves for this. I didn't, and my hands were extremely sticky afterwards. I made sure to use every last bit of resin in my cups. I do hate to waste my resin. My mixture had started to thicken at this point, but they ended up self-leveling just fine. Once I had my final design worked out, I set this aside and let it dry for 24 hours. I came back the next day and I demolded my resin. It does take about 72 hours to fully cure and harden. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll click the subscribe button and follow me on YouTube at Brushed by Brandy.